Hello everyone, you are watching Tutorial Web Design. Let's get started with HTML and learn how to create websites from scratch. So first of all, you need to understand what is HTML. So my friends, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is standard language used to create and structure content on the World Wide Web. Now here there are two things: content. So what is content? Let's open any website. Infosys.com. So content means whatever the material that you are seeing on the web page or on the website, like text, this is the content. Images, these are the images. Any PDF file, video, all this comes under content. So the way that we present content on the web page with the help of HTML and CSS. Okay, so that is called we use HTML to place all this content on the web page, and to beautify all this content we normally use the CSS. Now just right click on this page and you can see in the elements, inspect element, click on the inspect element and you can see all these HTML content of any website. Now where to write the HTML code? To write the HTML code you need HTML code editor. So HTML code editor is a software used to write, edit and preview HTML, the code that structures web pages. So just open this website visualstudio.microsoft.com, click on the download button, download this Visual Studio, install it. Once you install it, it will look like this. Okay. So this is the interface, and let's do one more thing. Just install live server extension. Live server extension. Here is the icon. Just click on this extension icon and install. Find out live server. Live server. So this is the live server extension. I have already installed this. That's why it is showing me uninstall button. But in your case it will display install live server extension. Just click on the install and the system will automatically install the live server extension. Now basics of HTML. So in the HTML, first of all you need to understand the tags. Okay, HTML works based on the tags. So these are the tags: HTML, body, head, title and the title. Every tag has its opening and closing tag. Likewise, see, HTML, it is opening tag and it is closing tag. We close tags by adding this slash at the beginning of the tag. Okay, and this is the head, this is closing tag, we are just adding the slash here. Body tag, again closing tag, h1 opening tag, h1 closing tag, p opening tag, p closing tag, and in between this is called the content. This is content, this is content, this is content, and in every HTML there are two sections. One is head and other is body. In the head we add title and metadata information, scripts, JavaScript, CSS, and in the body part we display all the content that we want to display on the web page. Again open that Infosys website. So here is the structure. You have seen that HTML opening tag, HTML closing tag, body opening tag, body closing tag, head opening tag, head closing tag. Again click on the inspect element and here you can see we have HTML opening tag, HTML closing tag, head opening tag, and here you can see head closing tag, body opening tag and body closing tag. In the head we have metadata information, meta, title, these are the scripts, JavaScript, CSS, metadata information, and in the body we have all the content that we display on the web page. See this. In the head we have title. See this, title: Infosys Consulting, IT Services and Digital Transformation, and here you can see the title: Infosys Consulting, IT Services and Digital Transformation. Hope it is clear to you. Next come, these are the tags. So in every HTML, HTML starts with doc type HTML, and this is the basic structure of any HTML page. If I remove this title, remove this H1 and P tag, remove this title, so head, body, HTML closing and HTML opening closing, and after that doc type HTML. So tag meanings. Doc type, it means it is declaring the document type. It is telling the browser that this is the HTML5 document. The HTML, the root element that contains all other HTML code. We have already seen that. So whatever the tags that we will add in the HTML, that we will add in the opening and closing tag of the HTML. This is opening tag and this is closing tag, and we will add all these tags inside this opening and closing HTML tag. Head, it contains metadata, information about the page like title, style, links, scripts and CSS. We have already seen this. In the head we have meta name, title, metadata, script, CSS, links, etc. Next is title, sets the title of the page. So this is the title of the page, Infosys Consulting and IT Services, and here we can see the title of the page in the head tag. The next is body. Body contains all the visible content of the web page, text, images, links, etc. The content, in the content we have text, images, links, navigation item. So this is navigation item, links, heading, background, okay, this explore button, this menu that you will see inside the body tag, not inside the head tag, that you will see inside the body tag. See this. Infosys Science Foundation, Infosys Science Foundation, that you can see inside the body tag. Okay. Now let's open Visual Studio Code Editor. Now what you have to do is just create one folder with the name of HTML on your desktop. Click on the file, click on open folder, select the folder, and do not open any file. Select the folder, click on the select folder. Okay. I have already created one HTML page, so I will remove this. So now your structure will look like this. There is no page in your HTML folder. Now here you can see two icons, new file, new folder, refresh. Just click on the new file, index.html. Every HTML file should have this extension .html. Just place this code. Document type HTML, HTML opening tag, HTML closing tag. Let's remove this. HTML opening tag, sorry, head opening tag, head closing tag, body opening tag, body closing tag. After that we have title. Remove this. So this is the basic structure. Okay, in the head we will add title, we will add meta information, CSS, scripts, JavaScripts in the coming videos. In the body tag we will display all the tags that helps us to present content, text, images, links, videos, graphics on the web page. All those tags we will display in the body tag. I hope this is clear to you. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching my video.